Welcome everyone, my name is Rick Sokolowski and I'm going to tell you how you can make money online if you follow me these couple of minutes, right? Now, I'm gonna help you to start making money for real. And when I say for real, I mean it because I'm a web developer and I have courses online, so you can look up my name on Udemy or any other teaching platform and you will find me there, right? So I'm not a scammer. I don't want to get your money. I don't need your bank account today. I don't need your email. I don't sell my product today, so you don't get worried about all of this. So there are a lot of scammers out there, and that is why I just create this couple of slides here. Do you like to make money online but you don't know where to start? And there are a lot of scammers, so be please aware of this. And that's pretty much it. If your answer to this question, then let me help you with this because I've created a sketch for you guys. Let me just close this. And yeah, it will help you a lot. So this is how I started making money 7 or 8 years ago. And I want you to do the same thing. Now, usually these videos should be visited by my students because I received hundreds of emails saying, please, Rick, help me out how to make money while I'm studying, while I'm doing this. And I said, yeah, I'm going to record one video and I'm going to share it with my students. So if you're not student, well, that is even better news. This will work for you. Now, I want you to listen my entire process because if you're not hard worker, if you don't invest time in selling online and making money, passive income, whatever it is there, then you're not going to make it. You need to be persistent. Now, this is me and probably you at the moment that you're watching this video. So you want to start making money online, but you don't know where to start, right? You see that a lot of people are making big money and they're just saying you just found videos on YouTube saying, today I've made $321. And this guy is the scammer, right? So the next video that you open, you say, make $283 in a few hours. Or just today I've made $987. This is a very nice figure. You say it's under $1,000 or $165. So these are all scammers. And I'm not going to say to you, you're going to make $1,000 because I don't know what you're going to do. If you're not willing to learn new things, if you're not willing to work, then you're not going to make a single dollar. I'm telling you this. I'm honest because I'm not selling my product. I don't really care what you're going to do with this video, right? If you listen to me or you don't listen to me, it's up to you. Now, these people that you see pop up YouTube videos saying that, yeah, today I made $321, they give you this random price like this. So 321, and people will say, yeah, this guy is legit. But at the end, they will ask you for your email to pay for them course or to do something. So I'm not going to do that. Plus, I don't sell my own product today. I do have online courses, and if you're watching this, you can get them, but I'm not forcing this. This is not about online courses that I do for a living. So what's the catch? What's the catch of this video? I don't promote my product. I don't need your email. I need you to continue watching this video if you're a hard worker, willing to accept that you can make money online, but how much is individually. This is very important. This depends how many hours you will work until you start making money. Because I will not be able to tell you that, hey, John, from today you're going to start making like $300 or $400 because that is not the reality. You need to start working really hard. And after that, yeah, you can make a money for real. This is how I did it. That's why I'm just creating this video because I hate these types of videos. If you see my channel, this will be the first video like this. So this is no video that I say you're going to work only 40 minutes per day and you will be a millionaire. It's not going to happen, right? And the people who are doing that, they're just scammers. And they don't have any background. IT, they don't know how to create websites. They know only how to scam people, create ads and things like that. So they're very good at that part, but they're not IT persons. They don't know. So at least I am, and I have some credibility here. Okay. Now, this is the whole process that I'm going to show it to you right now. The platform that I used, and I'm going to explain you first the process. In the next slide, in next sketch, I'm going to tell you what is the platform I used. Okay, so this is what you need to expect. Now, you are here And this P stands for not parking, but for your product. Now, you don't need to own product to start making money, but you need to research product online. When I say research product, I want you to research products that are relevant for you. For example, you are a girl and you want to do a weight loss, even if boys can do. So weight loss products, they sell very high, like crazy, or phones or any gadgets, right? Now you need to find those products. You need to find that niche. That's how they call it. And this will be explained in the course you're going to take, and it's going to be free. It's not my course. Actually, it's not course. It's a platform. It's explained on their platform, right? So, so you're going to find a product. Then you are going to register and become affiliate to Amazon. What means this affiliate member? Well, anytime you sell something, you're going to get commission. Anytime someone use your link, you will get commission. And that is the great news. So anyone can be affiliate member. You're just going to register, put your details there, and Amazon will accept you, because Amazon wants guys like you to promote other people products and get money. Now, you need to find on Amazon the same product that you research. You need to find it on Amazon and which product will give you the best commission. For example, if you're selling $1,000 phones, you would like to get $50 or $100 commission from that, right? You don't want to go for $2. So next thing is where all of you will say, oh, now I need to do this. Now, you need to have a website, and just don't freak out. When you have a website, in order to have a website, it's not that expensive. And I think it's covered, some of the money are covered when you register to the platform. I think the website will be for free or something like that, or domain will be for free. Not sure. But having a website in this year is very, very cheap. You can have a website for a few dollars, $10, maybe less, 15, doesn't matter. So you don't need a fancy website. You need a WordPress website where you can write this review for the product. You can put some couple of images there. Then you put a link to Amazon. Now that will be your affiliate link. And when this guy, for example, that guy, read your product and say, I'm interested in this product, add to cart, buy it, and you get the money. I mean, also the seller will get the money, but you get commission, $10, $15. I don't know how much you will get, but you will get. Now, this is the whole process. So again, you don't need a product. You need to find your own niche. To find it on that same product on Amazon, write a review, bam, sell it, get commission. So some of the people will say, well, if I open a website, because it will be brand new, how will I have visitors? Now, this is the platform I use. So this is a platform where they will teach you everything that you need to start making money. But again, you need to work. So they're a very, very big family. I think they have a couple of millions of people. They have at least 300,000 active members working there all day. So they're a very big family. Sometimes they send you emails, and that's too much sometimes for me, but I don't care, because you're going to make money. And I'm not going to tell you how much money that I make, because that is not relevant with you. You probably going to make less or make more if you invest more time, because I don't invest much time at the moment, right? I'm doing other things and I'm making money from other places. But now they will help you to build your website. They will help you to rank your website, because your website will be brand new. So when you have amazing support, then you will be successful. So they will tell you, okay, you need to find these products with these keywords. So they're going to help you how to find the products, how to sell them, how to create your account, how to write posts, where to share them. So they're going to tell you a lot of tips and tricks, and it's up to you if you want to start selling, right? So you're going to start there for free. Don't worry. The owners are called Kyle and Carson, and they're going to send you emails. Now, tip number 1 from me. If you want to go further and start a monthly subscription with them, it's like I don't know, $10, $15. I'm not sure how much is it. But you need to use my link below, and you need to wait for 1 or 2 days, because they're gonna see, okay, this guy is not subscribing it's still for free. So this guy is free user. Well, you want to stay for free as long as you can, because they're gonna offer you some crazy discount. And yeah, you can go with them. Now, If you use my affiliate link, then that will happen, right? And that link will be below the video, so you can have it. Now, otherwise, you can join them for free. And this is if you go open Wealthy Affiliate, if you create register account through me, you will have this one. So I create brand new, and there's the training. It's gonna give you, you can start for free, and please make sure that you start for free, right? Because you want to see if this is gonna work for you. A lot of classes, a lot of people. This is a very, very, very awesome support. A lot of people here, your rank, when you do see my rank, because this is a brand new profile, oh, so you need to start making your progress. You need to ask them. You need to view your profile, your blogs, everything is there. The keyword, the searching. You can ask questions to anyone you want. You can create programs there, statistic, what you're doing. Yeah. So you can promote other, you can be your site manager. That's what I'm saying. They're going to help you build your site here. They're going to help you first how to create your article. Yeah. So everything is pretty much well here this written. Everything here, there are a lot of tons of video. And yeah, so you can say here affiliate bootcamp, right? Everywhere you will find this is free probably. When you continue, you need to register just. So yeah, pretty much there you go. This is pretty much the website I use. They're gonna show you all the tips and tricks, and you will start making money using this wealthyaffiliate.com. Okay, I'm gonna give you the link, so make sure you use that link. Create new account. Then what you need to do is to wait 1 or 2 days, and they will send you a discount. But in meantime, you can start learning from the free and see, okay, yeah, this is great, or this is not work. It's not gonna work for me. So there you go. Now you know my trick, how I start making money, and I'm telling you because I started making money a lot with this, and you can do the same thing. And here it is. I just earned my new accomplishment badge, and if you participate here, you can ask them questions. They can answer questions, because a lot of guys here are experts. They're 7 or 10 years, right? So they know how things are done. They're selling their products, and yeah, that's it pretty much. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and write a comment. And thank you very much.